Scotia Bank offers Scotia International Money Transfer, a convenient and relatively low-cost way to send money abroad directly to a recipient's bank account in over 20 countries. Log into your Scotia Bank mobile banking app or online banking. Tap or click transfers. Select Send Money Internationally. Choose Bank Deposit. Add a recipient. Enter the recipient's full name, bank details, account number, SWIFT code, bank name and address, and save them as a contact. Select the recipient and the account you want to send money from. Enter the amount, up to daily limits, typically $10,000 per day. Review the exchange rate, fees, and total cost. Confirm and submit the transfer. Processing time, usually within 1-5 business days. Alternative options: Western Union for cash pickup, traditional wire transfer for countries not supported by Scotia International Money Transfer or larger amounts, available at branches or via phone.